What's up guys, and welcome to Prydoxer. In this video we are going to make a simple alarm clock in just few code lines with little of the Python basics. Even if you are a beginner, you can also make it. So let's go and do some coding. First I will import datetime module. Import datetime. This is for the date and time of our alarm clock. Then in the next line I will write a variable name as alarm hour, and this will be integer. Input enter hour, then alarm minute. This will be also an integer. Input enter minute. Last for AM or PM, AM PM is equal to, and this will be a string. Input AM or PM. These three variables are for the user to insert alarm hour or minute, and also a user can select AM or PM. But there's one problem. The datetime module gives us the time in military time format. For example, 2 o'clock in military time is 14 o'clock and 3 o'clock is 15 o'clock. So we need to convert them in AM or PM format. To fix this problem, I will write an if-else statement. If AM PM equals to PM, then alarm hour equals to alarm hour plus 12, because PM is the time after midday, which is 1 PM and 2 PM and so on. And in military format this will be 1300 hours and 1400 hours. So for this, if a user select PM time in this AM or PM option, then we simply just add 12 to the selected hour to make it in military format, because datetime module only understands military formats. Then I will write while true, and this will be always true, if alarm hour equals to datetime.datetime.now parenthesis dot hour, and alarm minute equals to datetime.datetime.now dot minute. Then print it's time to wake up. Then just break the loop. Now it's time to run the code, and it's giving us an error. Maybe I made a mistake over here, so let's see. Here it is. I forgot to put a colon and parenthesis, and here also parenthesis. Now our code is error free, so run it. And here I put the value of hour, so my current time is 2:41 AM. So I set the alarm for 2:42 AM. 1 minute alarm, 2 hour and 42 minute AM. So it says time to wake up. So this is a short code to make a simple alarm clock in just few minutes. I hope you like the video. So keep watching. See you next time.